ever thought what is the best way to retain an engineer so he will complete the project and will not leave midway? Hi, my name is Raju Bhagia. I am from Kushal Engineers. We are into business line for last 25 years for supply of engineers for execution of various projects like chemical, petrochemical, refinery, oil and gas, onshore, offshore, fertilizers, dairy, food, pharma, cement, all these type of projects. Now, recently there was a review meeting with one of our EPC clients, and they asked me, how do you ensure that you are able to retain the engineers till the completion of project? I said, we follow some of the innovative methods, and based on my experience, I would like to share with you what is an ideal situation which will retain the engineer. So we must first clearly spell out the likely duration of project and seek engineer's availability and commitment even before we offer him job. We must ensure that he is always paid on time with full transparency by sending him pay slips immediately after releasing his salary. We must also ensure that we are able to resolve any kind of grievances which he may have very speedily. We should also make periodic calls to him just to keep him in good spirits and just to understand if he is facing any difficulties, and so he feels that there is someone who is genuinely taking care of him. We should also be able to offer him decent yearly increment at par with industry. Then I would say we must make sure that quickly we are able to offer him the next project assignment. So he must always feel secured that once he completes this project, this company will be able to offer me next project assignment. The last point would be that if it is agreeable to the engineer, we can also keep some retention amount from his monthly salary with a clarity that if he leaves midway, he must give proper notice period. But if he completes the project or if he gives the proper notice and then goes, he will be getting all this retention money back. But if he is not able to do, then the accumulated retention amount may become forfeited. From client side, we need only one help, that the treatment given out to these contractual employees is same as being given out to their own employees. Now this will make him feel wanted and an important part of the project team. These are our views on the topic of how to retain engineers. If you like it, you can share it with your friends, and if you have any comments on this video, do put it in my inbox and I will come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.